I am going to show you. Can you download and play Fortnite in iPhone outside or inside the EU? This process is simple and easy. In order to play Fortnite on your iPhone, just open your Safari browser, and once it will be open, click on the search bar icon which is on the bottom of your mobile screen. After clicking here, you have to search for Epic Game Store. On the top, you can see the main website of Epic Games. Just click on it, and here click on the option install. Scroll down, and here you can see the option of install on iPhone or on iPad. In order to install it on your iPhone, your iOS need to be updated to 17.6. So just update your iPhone if it's not have that version and click on the option install on iPhone or iPad. Once you will click on it, then Epic Store will be installed in your mobile phone. I already installed this in my phone, and you can see the store has been opened, and on the top you can see the application of Fortnite. Click on it to install this application in your mobile phone, and after the installation you need to download the other resources of that game and enjoy the game, and it was the way by which you can do it easily.